What's up, house fans? It's me, Packy, and today I'm bowling a tournament for around 5K. It was supposed to be 10, but I need urethane. This is the same pattern as the doubles I bowled with Chris. I bowled the doubles, used urethane at the end of that, so I think urethane's going to be the play today. I'm going to try and keep it harder, straighter, kind of play up against that friction line, and if that doesn't work, jump way in and slow hook it. So pray for me. It's at the same bowling center, hoping for a little bit of a different result today. So let's just get right into it. And that's right. I mean, as always, if you haven't already, you know what to do.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We're living like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection.
Well, I shot 157 game one. Wanted to go home immediately, but I just had to come back down to earth, calm down a little bit, take a couple breaths, and realize my ball, throwing it hard and straight is obviously not the play. So I'm gonna go out there and try and throw it a little slower here, games 2, 3, 4, 5, and hopefully get some score out of it. You know, I know it's not gonna be anything, you know, I know I'm chasing a lot with 150 to start, but plenty of time with 9 games left, and I think I got the right idea now. So hopefully better scores, better shots the rest of the way.
Already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We're living like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. We come alive. Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. We come alive. We come alive. We come alive in the nighttime. Something about how we dance.
Currently, I'm embarrassing myself on the lanes. I'm minus 67-ish through 3. I shot 150, 210, 160. I tried throwing it hard. I tried hooking it, throwing it slow. Now I'm trying the in-between. I just can't really find anything, and every time I miss, I pay maximum penalty. So it's getting really frustrating and fucking annoyed. So let's try and find some mental sanity in these back 2 games this time.
You want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. We come alive. We come alive.
should finish 250, 230 the last two to get to 20 over, and it cuts like 110, 106 or something. So I gotta go at least 200 over the next five, but I got a better game plan, obviously, with the back two being as well as it did. So I gotta throw some symmetrical solids, middle part of the lane, and realistically just strike more. So let's get to it. Update 190, 220, 230, and I need like 250s. So I got 2 games left, and I need like 150 over. So we are running out of time. All right, so the lesson of the weekend is 1, I don't need urethane. Well, let's just scrap that. 1, got to stay mentally tough up here. I was just frustrated pretty much right out the gate. You know, I knew my ball reaction wasn't good. I knew the scores were going to be high. I was kind of just pressing from the start when I didn't need to. So I got to learn how to be a little more mentally tough. And 2, I do not need urethane. I don't need it. I don't need it. I have skills. I have speed control. I can throw it hard. I can throw it slow. I can wheel it. I can play straight. I can get my hand up the back. I can get it around it. I don't need urethane. I just need to be more prepared with an open mindset, regardless of what's going on the lane. I have to say, what is the lane asking from me? That's what I need to give it. And I worked with Chris a lot on that on Friday when we practiced, and I got to go back to Wichita and work on it this week. So until then, I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.